This is just an update on my fucking hoodie, bro. This shit. What the fuck? It's fire. You can't tell me this ain't fire. It's fire as hell. You guys honestly don't know how happy I am to actually get a piece of my shit, man. I'm just happy as shit. Alright. To stop all that, man. Really proud of Brittany for pulling her shit together and really focusing on the big key parts of this whole YouTube thing. She's really grinding out there, guys. I really want to see y'all like go and show some support for her. Her channel is like glowing so hard right now. Her shit is hilarious. I know it's a big shout out, but honestly, it's worth it. It's worth it. Y'all guys, it's worth it. Go check that shit out. And I'm just gonna be talking about my schedule, the content, everything that's pretty much going on with me. The videos are gonna be like from now on. There's really not much going on right now, but since everybody got a schedule when they're gonna upload and stuff, I might as well put a schedule up out there. My schedule for my videos probably gonna be Saturday. I'll probably put up a video. Friday if I'm feeling it. Probably double upload Saturday if I really have something interesting going on. But right now, to get down to it, content is pretty much just gonna be skate. There's nothing but school going on. Ain't nothing much. It's really record me going around school doing nothing. So I might upload some video games. I'm a very big competitive gamer. I play a lot of competitive Call of Duty, a lot of competitive Rocket League, a lot of competitive Smite, so there might be uploads with that. Cam just got an Xbox One, Chris has an Xbox One, and Brittany is getting one in like 2 months or 60 days or something like that. Michael has an Xbox One, so pretty much everybody in Waves got an Xbox One. Like Skate 3 comes out, and we just make a bunch of like skate videos on Skate 3 when it's like raining or something, or we just have nothing else to do. Right now, I'm just going through a lot of moving process. I can say that I'ma just grind to help this whole channel, this whole Ways, everything. Bree, she is uploading every Saturday. Her channel will be in the description. Everybody's social media, Cam's social media, Mike's social media, Chris's social media, everybody in Ways, all their social media. Everybody's YouTube will be in the description. I think that's all I had to talk about. I just hope you guys like what I'm doing so far, man. I know it's nothing special, but you know, let me just get into the grind of it. Maybe things will be better. I don't know how to outro videos, so I'ma just sit here and be like, I'ma just end my video like this. Ziggy.